Hello my people and welcome back. See this kind of question wey dem bring for opposite say make dem find the missing value for this table. This everybody get their own complete. This one no get complete. How they want to get am? Plenty students dey get issue with this one. And e no make sense. Make I show you how I want to do am. See the option, which one correct? Now x values, na be this one we get. Now see the equation we see here. Y equal to, we no get the y value. Now the y values we see here. But you go use from this equation, from this x value we get, to get these y values. How you take know? Watch. How you take we say we get this 3, for example. Then carry this x value will be 0. Anywhere they see x, they put 0. Like y equal to, place of this x, then put 0 cube minus 0 plus this 3. 0 cube now 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 plus 3. Then you can give us this 3. So it means that they use these x values, carry get all this one. But this one now they open. Now this one when they say make it fine. How I want to get them? Still use this equation when you say y equal to s cubed minus x plus 3. So y now will be equal to the value we see for x now minus 2. Then you see x equal to minus 2 cubed minus 2 minus this x now minus 2. If you put it like this, you no go get them right. Now y you go open bracket minus 2. That be the best. That make they won't trick you. Then plus 3. Remember, the original question come with minus. The value of x here get minus. Now why we open bracket, put that one separately from the original minus. We follow the equation come. You understand? So now y now will be equal to negative 2 cube. If they get issue with this one, this thing means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. We know say minus minus will give us plus. But what will be plus minus? Plus times minus now minus. So the last thing you get now minus. 2 times 2 now 4. 4 times 2 now 8. So it will be minus 8 instead of plus 8. So now we will get minus 8 here. Minus times minus will be plus. And these 2 plus 3. Therefore, y now will be equal to minus 8 plus 2 will give us minus 6. And minus 6 plus 3 will give us minus 3. So the answer now is minus 3. So the minus 3 we put here. Which option are you correct? Put them for comment section. And subscribe to my channel if you want more videos. Like and share. If you never share, share to your group chat. Share to your classmates.